today the video, and we are doing the slime challenge again.
Yes, actually we're doing slime again, and this time it's gonna be slime challenge.
And yes.
So she's doing the video on her. She's doing a video on her channel, and I'm doing a video on my channel. And we're gonna show you. She's gonna show you her slime on here, and I'm gonna show you my slime on there. So give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel.
I got this cup, and I got this stick to mix it up like this. And I got this gum. I gotta put it in here. See what's gonna happen. And I got these little ingredients. So I'm just gonna go get the body wash from her because we have some things that we need on each other's side.
Yeah. So the first thing I'm gonna need is that. Wait, let me get this. I'm gonna need some of this first. Yeah,
this, and then some of that, and then
only a little coming out. I should probably just a little bit. Get him. We'll be right back. So I'm about to go a little bit.
Marcus, see that from last night.
What do you do? Put it down.
Go back over there, huh?
You want to do that?
Come on, go over there. Take him over there.
Come on, do that. Do that.
Go. Go, Kiki. Turn out. Huh? Get him, kitty. Get him.
Come on, do that.
Sarah, don't use it all.
I'm not. I'm trying to make some come. It's not coming. So I'm just gonna pour this blue stuff in here. So
what about the part?
It's not coming out right. So just gonna use this ingredient.
So yeah, I just put some of this in here.
I already have put some in there. You're supposed to put a drop.
Alright, give me some of that.
You need to put a little bit first, then we put some. I need that what's the name right there? That purple. That right there.
Sorry.
Yeah. Let him go. I need that.
You need what?
That purple.
Yeah. It's a one time. Kiki, take him with you.
Oh.
Wherever you're about to go, just take him. So instead of us putting it in the instead of us getting that out of the bottle, we just poured it in there. So, but not that top. And yes, you're going to do the water and salt. We just put it in a sunny deep bottle. I know that again. And like I was saying, we're gonna pour a little bit of this, but we just, we do a little bit for something else. So hopefully it's gonna turn to water.
And we only making a little bit today because we do not
want to make
a whole bunch because we got a whole bunch of stuff, but we don't want to make it too much.
Yeah, we don't make too much like we did last time.
One more time. There. Okay. Now. She ain't got more than me.
She been adding a lot. Huh? She gonna die. Hopefully some come out. Let me see. Huh.
Alright. Give it to me.
First time you use it.
This how much I got right now?
You're only gonna need 2 drops of dye.
2 drops?
Yeah, just 2 little drops.
1, 2.
Alright, see, I want this to turn it like a bluish purple, and I guess that's kind of what I get.
Where's them?
They in my room. Oh. Okay.
How much to be not?
So yes, we got some bubble gum, and we're gonna just take the fuzz out of there.
Yeah.
Bubble gum fuzz. So you ready? You ready to do it?
So got this bubble gum and it's pink.
I got the I'm about to taste this kind. I never tasted this kind yet.
It tastes good. Chocolate. Oh, I never taste chocolate.
This root beer. I love root beer. So I'm not gonna waste this. All I'm gonna do is just pour the fuzz in here. But I'm not gonna
waste this one.
I'm gonna pour some of this little bit of stuff. It's a little oil.
So you need to buy it. And then pour it. Pour it.
I don't like the fuzz.
Woo!
Why would you eat it, crazy?
I ain't eat the fuzz.
So we're not gonna waste this. We're just gonna take the fuzz out. This is how the fuzz actually look.
This how the fuzz actually had look.
And we're just gonna stir this. This kind of open a little bit.
It's kind of like a light blue.
So I just pouring all the fuzz in here now. Sorry if you guys can see it. It's like you're cracking an egg though.
I had put my mine in there.
Well, I poured the whole thing of that one in. Now I'm gonna pour it this one. I think this is good. You see the time?
How look?
It's just crumbs in here. Look, this side is. You saw that pudding?
We gonna need a drop of this in there. Okay, so we just gonna use a drop of this.
We're gonna put a drop of this.
We're gonna stir it.
Actually, the fuzz is actually helping it to turn into slime though.
Oh, yours is light blue, mine not.
Yeah. What? You add all your fuzz?
Yes.
Give me that full color.
You want your my color blue?
No, I want another color, like purple.
I do too. I'm gonna put a little bit drop in it. Make it perfect.
It's not coming out. I think we used it on. Ooh! Okay.
So mine like turning purple.
Mine is too. Actually, mine is.
Like a purple and blue color.
The fuzz actually don't really like to let it look like stick, but it actually brings bubbles to it. And that's
I know.
Like it's a whole bunch of bubbles in here.
You sure it make it? You sure that and make it thick?
What's the fuzz?
No, that.
This?
Yeah.
Huh, pour a little bit of this in there. Let me pour some in
What
there.
is that?
It's oil. Oil always kind of help it. For mouth time, well, that's going to help it.
Oh, I know. Ugh. Ugh.
You're a stank.
It's not clown. Oh, it's making it like turn out.
Give me that. Oh my god, you love it.
Get in there.
Every time I ever, this root beer gum is so good. I never knew they made root beer gum with fuzz in it.
I did.
With fuzz in it.
Huh?
With fuzz in it.
No.
Okay,
Yeah.
we're right. So today,
I had seen it. What's the name? When your mama
also
got that
check out Nevaeh Slave channel.
No,
She-
yes, that is our cousin, Nevaeh.